other than it's ripping a lot. Oh, that's on the floor. So I wanted to make a video for my YouTube channel on the cost of making cream cheese at home and if it's worth it. But I've never actually made cream cheese before. The process seems simple. Pour milk into a pot, wait around, and once it hits 86 degrees, sprinkle in some microbes. Cover and let sit for 12 hours. And you see, this was my first mistake, starting this in noon, which means this cream cheese is ready to get strained at midnight. And this is where all of the chaos ensues. So coming back to it after 12 hours, I'm in my pajamas, I'm ready to go to sleep. Like, I normally am in bed with my eyes closed and asleep at midnight. But I thought this would take 10 to 15 minutes. It seemed easy, it seemed simple. No, it is the dumbest thing I've ever done. I will say though, the magic of making cheese at home, like look at this guy. It's just solid, solidified mass out of liquid milk. It always blows my mind, every single time. So every recipe online talks about filling up cheesecloth with curds and then hanging it to drain. Seems simple enough, right? Just fill it up, hang it, you got cream cheese. Awesome. And it kind of works. The whey coming off was opaque, so I used up the last of my cheesecloth to see if it would run clear. It worked, but there was an issue. I think I summed this up pretty well in the moment. Okay, so I didn't plan this very well, I guess, or I thought maybe it wouldn't make that much. It turns out a gallon of milk makes more than I was anticipating. So with necessity breeds innovation is what I would like to think here. And what I'm thinking is that I can just make cheesecloth out of paper towels. The logic here is that if you've ever made lebna out of Greek yogurt, you do kind of something similar. You just strain it into paper towels. So I'm thinking, oh, that's chunky and spiders everywhere. Well, you committed, right? Question number 2 is, did I use enough paper towels? Oh, you know, they are perforated and they do rip, but oh yeah, you gotta see this. Wait, why is this better than the cheesecloth? Wait, other than it's ripping a lot. Oh. Like over here, you know, it's just a bunch of separated whey, so that's good. Honestly, it looks better than the cheesecloth was doing. But the issue is that, yeah, the paper towels are perforated. Okay, I think I can still just strain it through paper towels. Is it working? Yeah, why not? Look at that. Okay, well, you know, I thought this was gonna be like some crazy thing and I had to like hang this somewhere and do all this stuff, but honestly just a bowl and a colander seems to do it. But it works, like, it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Alright, well, I got this big disaster just chilling in here. I feel like I had this beautiful plan to hang this, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that anyways, because, you know, it seems like it would be fun. Alright, I'm gonna just... Well, let me show you what plan A was, because I was really excited about plan A. I thought it was a genius. Apparently, I could have just used a colander and a bowl. Okay, I need a chair. Got a light here, right? Think about this. It's just perfect. I have this light, and I need to be able to hang this thing. So like this, I don't need this. You're gonna love this. Okay, come on. Here we go. There we go. All right. So here is my thought. So I have a pole, and I just take a really heavy weight, and I just loop it around the pole. Tighten this guy up, however it needs it be, and boom, I have a weight to hold up my cheesecloth, right? Because I don't have a sink or anything to drain this over. And I can, in theory, tie it onto this pole. So let's see if I can, oh, it sure is splattering everywhere. Don't drop it. That will make me sad. Oh, that's on the floor. Oh, God. Okay. It seems stable, right? It's dripping everywhere. Okay. Got this beautiful thing. My bed is right there. So I'm gonna listen to this drip all night. And then hopefully it doesn't make a big splish sound. Okay, well, I've got two methods going, I guess. One is the good old-fashioned colander paper towel method. It seems to work beautifully. And I've got the proverbial hobo sack method. It seems like it's gonna hold. It's gonna do this for about 12 hours, so I'll know about noon tomorrow, or I will just wake up in the middle of the night because this falls and splooshes. Okay, it's officially 1 p.m. It's been 12 hours. I don't recommend sleeping next to this. It was dripping all night and like, I don't think I got a wink of sleep. 0 out of 10 as a white noise machine, but it did stop dripping, so I think it is about done after 12 hours. Time to take this guy off and weigh it, see what the yield is, and taste it, salt it, throw it in the fridge, call it good. Okay, just have to expertly just like slide this off now. Not bad. Oh, that got cream cheese all over my scissors. All right, let's see what we got in here.
Oh, really, really good. No, your cream cheese is excellent.
What's the stuff you put on top?
Hot honey.
Oh.
Okay, it's really good. Okay. Oh, holy shit. That's really good.
I want to bite.
Yeah, well, pause it.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider watching my breakdown video on how much it costs to make bagels at home, or tune into my cost breakdown of cream cheese and learn how to make both at home with as little equipment as possible. If you really enjoyed it, please leave a comment on this video. That helps out a lot with the algorithm. Lastly, please subscribe as that helps me become monetized. Thanks so much and keep tuning in for more.